Today I have got something super powerful to share with you. It's called AI SuperBot. And honestly, it might just be the craziest AI tool I have reviewed so far. Now, before I show you exactly what it can do, let me give you a quick idea of what this thing actually is. Because trust me, it's not just another AI tool. Okay, AI SuperBot is like the ultimate AI assistant. It combines the power of dozens of premium AI tools into one simple chat interface. So you don't need to jump between apps or pay hundreds every month. According to the creators, it's so powerful that they jokingly say it should be illegal. That's how much it can do. You can use it to create websites, videos, designs, ads, content, voiceovers, chatbots, social media posts, and even full business plans, all in just a few minutes. Just type what you need and it gives you top quality results using multiple AI tools in under 30 seconds. Think about it. Most of us end up paying for multiple AI tools every month. $20 here, $30 there, and before you know it, you are spending over $400 a month just to get everything you need. That's crazy, right? With AI Superbot, you don't have to juggle all those subscriptions. It works 24 into 7 and gives you everything in one place. So now that you know what AI Superbot actually is and what it can do, let's talk about what really makes it stand out from the rest. Because sure, there are plenty of AI tools out there, but this one has some extra features that make it really worth talking about. One thing I really like about AI Superbot is that it doesn't randomly go down like ChatGPT sometimes does. And you know how annoying that can be? You are in the middle of working on something important and boom, server is at capacity or something went wrong. With this, you don't have to deal with that frustration. It's reliable and always ready to go when you need it. Plus, it comes with a 30-day money back guarantee, so you can try it out completely risk free. Another thing they claim, and this is a big one, AI Superbot is 47 times faster at creating content, whether it's websites, videos, ads, or voiceovers. And honestly, speed matters more than people think. If a tool is slow, you waste hours waiting for the results, right? Which means fewer projects done and more missed opportunities. But if you can pump out high quality content in seconds instead of minutes, you can get way more done in less time. And that's a huge advantage. And if all that sounds impressive, wait until you see what's actually included inside. This is where things get really exciting. AI Superbot gives you access to some of the most premium AI tools out there all in one place. We are talking about big names like ChatGPT 4, MidJourney V6 for creating stunning AI art, Synthesia for Hollywood style video generation, and 11 Labs for super realistic voice cloning. But it doesn't stop there. You also get tools like Runway ML, Cloud 3, Copy.ai, Waveflow, Suno AI, and many others. And yes, it even includes everyday favorites like Canva Pro, Grammarly, Envido, Jasper AI, Notion AI, Pickree, Flicky, Quillbot, WriteSonic, and a whole lot more. When you add it all up, the tools inside AI Superbot would normally cost you thousands of dollars a year if you bought them separately, right? And that's the problem. Most creators and small business owners simply can't afford to keep paying for all these individual subscriptions. You either have to pick and choose a few tools and miss out on the rest, or burn a huge hole in your wallet every month, right? So AI Superbot fixes that by bundling everything into one platform for a tiny fraction of the cost. So you get the full toolbox without the crazy bills. Let's talk pricing. And yes, there are a few optional upgrades too. So I will walk you through everything. The front-end offer for AI Superbot starts at just $17, which is a pretty sweet deal considering everything it offers. And here is the cool part. If you grab it within the first 4 hours of lunch before 3 p.m. EST on August 8th, you can use this code to get an extra $3 off. After that, the price stays at $17 during the entire lunch week. But once the lunch ends on August 15th, the price goes up to $27. So don't wait too long if you're interested, okay? Now let's quickly go over the OTOs or one-time offers. These are optional upgrades you can choose after getting the main product. OTO 1 AI Superbot Unlimited $67 or a downsell at $47. OTO 2 done for you $297 or the downsell at $197. Audio 3 automation $47 or $27. Audio 4 income booster $47 or $27. And audio 5 limitless traffic $97 or $77. Then audio 6 automated 10K dollar profit $67 or $47. Audio 7 mobile payday $47 or $27. Audio 8 reseller license $197 or $97. Then we have the audio 9 DFI profit site $47 or $27. Each of these is optional, so you can pick what fits your needs or budget the best. But even if you just go with the front-end version, it still packs a ton of value. If you are someone who creates content, runs a business, or just loves exploring new AI tools, AI SuperBot might just blow your mind. It's fast, packed with value, and ridiculously easy to use. Let me know in the comments what you think. And if you are grabbing it, I have added all the links and coupon codes down in the description to make it easier for you.